Hello, welcome. It's a boy Soft Touch. Welcome to our today's tutorial. Today we'll be teaching you how to step down work from a higher version to a lower version, because this has been a problem of most designers with Coreldraw. It'd be like someone designed a work on Corel 2024. Me, I'm using Corel 2021. I can't open it. No. Now we have a solution for you to step down that work and send to somebody using a lower version so that the person can also use from there. But you have a little bit challenges. Sometimes font, maybe the person will not have the same font you are using in that design. But notwithstanding, you can also convert it to curve. So now let's dive in straight and then show you how it will work. Okay. This is Corel 2021. So I want to step down work to a Corel 18. First, you go to your file here. From this file, go to save as. So from this save as now, it's showing me different versions. This is from the versions we have Corel 2023 down 2021. This is 18. This is 17. Then you click on, let's keep it on 18 and say, then let's change the file name. This file name, let's change it to something Louis Week, and then we'll click on save. We have successfully sent that particular work to that. We have successfully changed that particular job from our current version. So someone having a lesser version can also use it flawlessly without any problem. Thank you, and if you like more of our tutorial, subscribe for more updates.